Hi, Trampy. So become a flood last night. I got a mess in here, man. But my clutch flywheel came, and DeWalt sent me a new vacuum. I guess they realized they couldn't repair the other one. So I'm gonna spray some more water in here. Try to get this fucking mud out of here. I got this problem, man. Since we're at the bottom of the hill, where a bunch of water just comes out of the fucking yard, and it brings all the mud with it. Brings all the tree dirt and bullshit down here. And there's a French drain around here, but it's all clogged up with fucking mud now. You know, that happened like 2 years after I did it. So I gotta do something about that, man. But time and money, brother. Put money into this. Probably should put it into that. But we're gonna get this shit cleaned up real quick, and then we're gonna get started on this 58 again. I threw the new springs in it last night. I'll throw it up in the air in a minute, show you after I clean this floor up. But I'll turn this fan off, man, so you can hear me. All right. So, not last night, but the night before, I got the doghouse out of here, which I'm gonna have to close up the holes and whatnot in. And we got the T98 transmission out of there. Now, the T5, the shifter's going to come up probably somewhere around here. So we're going to have to drill a new hole and get another boot and, you know, all that bullshit. But we got this shit out. I didn't even take my exhaust out, which turns out I'm going to have to take it out anyway to get the steering gearbox out. But we got the new to me springs, you know, in there. All the bushings in the new to me springs were pretty good. I didn't order any bushings for the truck side, and they're a little bit in rough shape. But these are the old springs, and they're just slap wore out, man. I mean, check out the bushings in this one. So, past their prime for sure. But we swapped them springs out last night, and we got the transmission out the night before. It's sitting over yonder next to this other puddle of water. So this is what the e-brake assembly looks like if you didn't know on one of these. If you have the drum brake on the back, and then it's just shoes in there, just like anything else. The throwout bearing of this thing was smoked, and maybe it was making a bunch of noise. If you've seen my other videos, you know that. Apparently this is greasable though, but that's actually the only thing I'm waiting on right now for this T5 over here. You see, the retainers are a different size. So, if I remember right, Mummert has someone machine these so that I can use the original clutch fork, but it's the right size. They must put like an oiled bronze bushing in it or something. And last night I was sitting on the couch. I was like, fuck, I forgot to buy a pilot bearing. So I didn't want a bearing, I wanted a bushing. I wanted a bronze bushing. And I bought one on eBay for like 25 bucks or something. And this thing come today. I knew this was coming today. I've been waiting for it. And I saw it comes with a fucking bushing. So we'll have an extra, man. That's the clutch toolkit, some lube. Got the pressure plate. Clutch under yonder. Right there. Oh, look how pretty that thing is, man. This is the transmission side right here, so you know. But let's see if there's a part number in this box. He did circle these holes in here, so I don't know if he had to modify the size of those holes or what, because I don't know what this is for. I bought everything through John Mummert because I wanted to have as little problems as possible. I don't see the part number anywhere, man. This maybe. Maybe that's his part number. Looks like he took the label off the box. But whatever, doesn't really matter to me. So let me get this shit cleaned up, man, and we'll get to it.